Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure.
With me, Gisele!
Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Brandon?
Spaceship, sloth, pineapple.
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash, and away in a flash!
Whoa! We're on a spaceship.
And we have a passenger! A snoozing sloth!
High five, Snoozer. I forgot. Sloths move super slow.
Hey, what was the last word you put in the mashup mixer, Brandon?
Pineapple.
Of course! Then our destination is Pineapple Planet! Hang tight!
Whoa! Everything looks like a pineapple.
Whoa, I wasn't expecting that. Huh?
Those pineapples look like sloths. Only they're super fast. How are they so fast? I think I know how pineapple sloths are so fast. Try this, Snoozer. I knew it! The pineapple juice turned Snoozer into a super speedy sloth.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, if we don't get Snoozer out of here, he's going to destroy Pineapple Planet.
I know how we can do that. Follow my lead, Gisele.
All right, let's see where this goes.
Hey, Snoozer, I've got your pineapple juice. Come on. Now that we're leaving, Snoozer will be slow again.
Maybe not. I made a stop on the way back to the spaceship.
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure. Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.